What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. All right, in today's video, it's going to be a short tutorial designed for Kaabo Wolf King GT electric scooter owners. And this is just how to set your password on your scooter so nobody can take off with it. I ran across a video today. The YouTuber, his name is Timothy West, and he does reviews on electric scooters. I believe he is from Canada, but he has an awesome channel. I am subscribed to his channel because, you know, I like electric scooter content, and he does good reviews. He had put out a video today where he didn't like the fact that your scooter wasn't key protected, but he didn't know that there was a password protection. So I just want to show you Kaabo Wolf King GT owners that you can protect your scooter with a password, and I'm going to show you how real quick. Check it out. All right, so what you want to do is power on your system, and you're going to see a logo come up, and literally right after the logo, you want to hold down the mode button to reach the menu. So I'm holding it down, the mode button, and you see this menu right here. You're going to want to scroll down to password, and right now it's set to off. I have it on off just for purposes of this video. You want to hit the mode button. You want to go down to advanced setting, hit the mode button, select on, hit the mode button again, hit exit, and then you're prompted with a password right here. So you want to scroll down to that and choose your password. For this video, I'll just choose all ones. All right, so after you select your password, you need to hold down the mode button to get out of this password creation process. Okay, now that I'm out of that, what you need to do, and this is very important, you need to exit out of here, and then you need to exit out of the menu to save your changes. And now you're back to your familiar screen. So what I'm going to do now is power it down, just to show you guys that it does work. Here I go, I'm gonna power it back on. Here's your logo, and it should come up with a password entry. There it is. Select your password. In this case, it's gonna be all ones, so you wanna click up for one, hit mode button to get to the next digit, so on and so forth. And there it is there. Your Kaabo electric Wolf King GT scooter is password protected. All right, YouTube, I hope that was simple enough for you. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell notifications so you know when I upload videos. If you want any more tips, any more questions, drop down in the comments. Maybe I'll make a video on it. So until the next video,